Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change display resolution in Windows 11. So this video is going to be pretty straightforward. Go on the bottom and click on a start, right click on a start and click settings. Then when you're going to be here, you want to simply click on the display. And then you're going to have like, let me show you, display. You're going to have the display resolution right here. And you can simply switch between multiple of those and choose like which one you actually want. Then you can also change the scale here if you want to. That's something you can do too. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.